Hello students, my name is Priyanka Virvani and today we are going to learn about the Earth. The Earth, our homeland, is a dynamic planet. It is constantly undergoing changes inside and outside. Interior of the Earth, just like an onion, the Earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. Interior of the Earth, you can take the picture for more clearance. Crust, the uppermost layer over the Earth's surface, is called the crust. It is the thinnest of all the layers. Did you know the crust forms only 0.5% of the volume of the Earth and 16% consists of mantle and 83% makes the core? Mantle, just beneath the crust is the mantle which extends up to a depth of 2900 km below the crust. Core, the innermost layer is core with a radius of about 3500 km. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron and is called nickel and ferrous iron. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. Rocks and minerals. The Earth's crust is made up of various types of rocks. Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the Earth's crust is called a rock. A rock can be of different color, size, and texture. Types of rock. There are three major types of rock: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. World origin. Igneous rock, Latin word ignis means fire. Sedimentary, Latin word sedimentum means settling down. Metamorphic, Greek word metaphors means changing form. Igneous rock, igneous means Latin word ignis means fire. When the molten magma cools, it becomes solid. Rock thus formed are called igneous rock. They are also called primary rocks. Types of igneous rock. There are two types of igneous rock: intrusive rock, extrusive rock. Extrusive igneous rock. Lava is actually fiery red molten magma coming out from the interior of the earth on its surface. When this molten lava comes on the earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. Rock formed in such a way on the crust are called extrusive igneous rocks. They have a very fine grained structure. For example, salt. The Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt rocks. Intrusive igneous rock. Sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the Earth's crust. Solid rocks to form are called intrusive igneous rocks. Since they cool down slowly, they form large grains. Granite is an example of such a rock. Grinding stones used to prepare paste powder of spices grains are called made of granite. Sediments and sedimentary rocks. Rocks roll down, crack, and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments. These smaller particles are called sediments. These sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rock. These types of rock are called sedimentary rocks. For example, sandstone is made from grains of sand. These rocks may also contain fossils of plants, animals, and other microorganisms that once lived on them. Important fact: igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rock under great heat and pressure. For example, clay changes into slate and limestone into marbles. Uses of rocks. The hard rocks are used for making roads, houses, and buildings. Stones are used in many games. For example, 7 stones, pittu, hopscotch, stappu, kit, 5 stones, kitty. Rocks are used in making monuments. Example, Rak Fort, Taj Mahal, etc. That's all for today and have a good day.